If you have a growing family and you need a vehicle that excels at space and efficiency, then look no further than the 2023 Sienna. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today we're talking about this 2023 Sienna LE. For 2023 and a few years earlier, the hybrid powertrain has become standard across the board on all the Siennas, which is fantastic. Why not? You get a combined fuel efficiency rating of 36 miles per gallon. That is amazing for a vehicle this size. Yet it has plenty of power. The combined output of the hybrid system's 245 horsepower, so you have plenty of power for accelerating, passing people on the highway, merging in traffic. You have this nice big upscale interior. You can't beat the space and efficiency of a minivan. Even a similarly sized SUV like a Highlander can't compare to the amount of space you have in this thing. You'll even have a hard time getting that with a full-size SUV like a Sequoia. I'm a big fan of vans. I actually have a 12-passenger van, which is a little bit bigger than a minivan, but they might not be the most romantic, exotic-looking things. A minivan, it's basically a box on wheels, but they are just so practical. You'll be spoiled by it. When it comes to doing big Costco or Home Depot runs, going to IKEA, hauling stuff, even going on a dump run, put some plastic down, and you can fit a lot of stuff back there. It is so versatile. It's like having a pickup truck with a canopy, but it also can seat, up to 8 people. This is a nice clean Carfax example, great color combination on white on this gray cloth. We have a fantastic infotainment system. It has Apple CarPlay Android Auto and Alexa standard for 2023. We have a multi-zone climate control system. We have dual zone in the front. We have rear climate control. This one has 35,307 miles. Nice, easy to use gauge cluster. You can see right now we're averaging about 33.6 miles per gallon, not too far from the 36 EPA average combined. And with the hybrid system, it is just so efficient. Hybrid, Toyota, they are the gurus of hybrids. They made one of the first production hybrids with a Prius in the mid to late 90s. And the rest is history. They have made probably more hybrids, and they do it better pretty much than anyone else. And hybrids are not only save you money with efficiency, but with regenerative braking, what that happens is they reverse the polarity of the electric motors and use those to slow the vehicles down rather than the brakes. So with the regenerative braking, you get a lot longer brake life out of your vehicle as well. It's not uncommon for hybrid vehicles to go 100,000+ miles before needing their first brake job, which is amazing. So the regenerative braking makes it more efficient, and it also saves you money on maintenance. We have this nice wood trim interior, nice contrast stitching throughout. We have a nice big parking camera, great for your situational awareness. This thing's in great shape. White is such an easy color to take care of. Surface imperfections, scratches, which inevitably are going to happen as the years and miles roll along. Don't seem to show up quite as much on a white vehicle versus a black vehicle where everything seems to show up. Really nice, easy on the eye styling. Obviously, when you're dealing with a boxy shape like a Sienna or a minivan, it's hard to make them look as sleek and sexy as a Cooper sedan, but Toyota did a great job styling the Sienna. There's a great powertrain, a combined output of 245 horsepower. This one features power sliding doors on both sides, and we also have integrated sunshades in the doors. Great for those little kids. Can sit 3 across in the second row and 3 across in the third row for a total seating of 7 people. Nice spacious interior. Like I say, you just can't beat the space of a minivan. Going towards the rear, we have this nice recessed area in the cargo area, which gives you more cargo space, and you can fold the third row seats flat into that area. It's really easy. Well, there we have it, a nice example of a 2023 Toyota Sienna LE. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video, and have a wonderful day.